Canceling Cleo Plus stops future membership charges, but it does not automatically delete your Cleo account or remove your conversation history. You can end the subscription first and decide later whether you want to stop using the app completely. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to cancel Cleo Plus, what to check before confirming the cancellation, and what happens after your membership ends. Start by opening the Cleo app and signing into the account with the active Cleo Plus membership. Tap your profile or settings menu, then look for the membership, Cleo Plus, or subscription section. Select the option to manage your membership and follow the prompts until the app confirms your cancellation request. If you originally subscribed through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you'll usually need to cancel through that same platform instead of inside the Cleo app. Open your device's subscription management page, find Cleo in your active subscriptions, and choose Cancel Subscription. Your membership benefits normally remain available until the current billing period expires. Before canceling, review your account for any active cash advances, scheduled repayments, or pending requests. Canceling Cleo Plus does not erase repayment obligations or cancel transactions that have already been approved. If you still have an outstanding balance, continue following the repayment schedule unless Cleo support tells you otherwise. Once your cancellation is complete, check your email for a confirmation message, or save the confirmation shown inside the app. Keeping that record is useful if you have questions about future billing or need to verify when the cancellation was processed. If you can't find the cancellation option or receive an error while trying to cancel, open the Help or Support section inside the Cleo app and contact the support team. Include the email address associated with your account and explain that you want to cancel your Cleo Plus membership. That gives the support team the information they need to locate your account more quickly. If your goal is to stop using Cleo entirely, remember that canceling Cleo Plus and closing your Cleo account are separate actions. Review the account settings or contact support if you also want your account permanently closed. To recap, cancel Cleo Plus from the app or the App Store where you subscribed, make sure there are no unresolved account issues, and save your cancellation confirmation until your current billing period has ended. Open your Cleo account now, verify how your subscription is billed, and complete the cancellation before your next renewal date. If this guide helped you, like the video, and subscribe for more simple app tutorials and troubleshooting guides.